Strong Base School near Radio Pakistan, Hyderabad. Subject Science Class 4. Chapter number 1, the human body. The human body have many important organs like brain, lungs, kidney, stomach, intestine. We start the brain. Brain is the most important organ of our body because it control all the function of human body like reading, writing, eating, sleeping, even our emotion, our feeling, our dream also control. The brain is very important function is sending a message all over the body. The brain has two parts, cerebellum and cerebellum. Cerebellum is the largest part of the brain. It has four parts. Number 1, frontal lobe, parietal lobe, occipital lobe and temporal lobe. Frontal lobe is a function to control our planning, emotion and problem solving. Parietal lobe control the movement and some other senses. Occipital lobe control the process of seeing, and temporal lobe control our memory, speech and process of hearing. Number 2 part is cerebellum. Cerebellum control only balance and movement. Brainstem, it is a link the brain to the rest of the body. Number 2 most important organ is the heart. Heart pump blood to the all part of the body. The function of heart is reach oxygenated and nutrition all the part of our body. It beat 70 times in a minute. The heart is a cardiac muscles and involuntary we can't control. The heart has 4 chambers. The upper 2 chambers called arteria and lower 2 chambers called ventricle. Number 3 organ is the lung. Lung is also very important organ because it gives the oxygenated blood to all the part of our body. We can take oxygen and release out carbon dioxide with the help of our lungs. When we take in oxygen, it's called inhale, and when we take out carbon dioxide, it's called exhale. The body takes in oxygen from the air. This procedure is called the respiration. The lungs are 2 pairs and 8 positions around the heart. Rib cage protect our heart and lung. Intestine. Human beings have 2 intestines, large and small. They are the part of our digestive system. Digestive system also very important because we take food, so it is very important to digestion. Intestine take food our stomach and transport waste food to our body. What is the digestion? Digestion is the process which break down the food, and digestion start our mouth. Teeth also help to chew the food. After chewing, the food pass esophagus. Esophagus is a tube which is connected to mouth and stomach. Food come our stomach. In stomach, gastric juice present. It also help to digestion. And after the food pass small intestine and large intestine, here also digestion procedure are continue. Our water absorption also in intestine, and after complete the digestion, the food passed out of our body. It is a waste product that is passed out of our body. Muscles. The human body have 600 muscles. They help to us movement. Exercising help our muscle is strong. Muscles can contract and relax. Activity. Can you find which organ have pair? Write the name of organ which is only one. Thanks.